everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. I am your girl, Norlene. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Welcome, family and friends, to Wim's Kitchen. Today, I will be doing for you fish kebab. To do this meal, you need an assortment of bell peppers. I'm using red, green, and yellow bell pepper and a purple onion. I simple will cut these into large enough pieces, about cube size. If you notice, I'm using half of a bell pepper. So I cut it in four and then I cut it in four either ways. The same thing I'm doing with my onions, because you want your onions and bell peppers to be in big enough pieces to fit to your skewer. So I've already washed and seasoned the fish and I've cut them in large chunks and they're all set and ready to go. Now guys, you want to use a fish that's the flesh is firm because you're going to work with the skewer, so you need a fish that is firm. For me, I am using the pink snapper. And guys, preparation is all done, so it's time to set up the kebab. Now guys, if you're new onto my channel, welcome to Wim's Kitchen. This is the perfect channel to learn about Jamaican and Caribbean cuisine. Now guys, I'm placing my bell peppers in order of color. It's really up to you. The only thing that I need you to know is that after placing the fish, it's important to add the lemon slice so that you can enhance the flavor of your fish. All right, family and friends, it's time now for the food for thought. It comes to us from John 6, verse 27, and it says, "Labor not for meat which perisheth, but for the meat which endureth unto everlasting life, which the Son of Man shall give unto you. For him hath God the Father sealed." My encouragement for someone is that God has placed a higher calling on your life. Walk obediently and purposely into your divine truth. I know you're enjoying this process as much as I am enjoying doing it for you. So if you're new, go ahead and press that red subscribe button. So my kebab are all arranged and it's time to sizzle up things with a shallow fry. So in a wide frying pan, I've added a tablespoon of olive oil. In that, I will place the kebab and I will allow them to slightly char so I can enhance the flavor. Turn your kebab so that all flat surface area can be fried. Now guys, this is a quick process, about 5 seconds on either side, and then you remove it from the frying pan. I will then move on to prepare the sauce for my kebab. So in about 3 tablespoons of butter, I've added a teaspoon of blended green seasoning. I will allow this to fry for about 2 minutes to activate the flavors in my green seasoning. Now guys, these are looking so fantastic. So in the buttery sauce, I will add half can of pineapple soda. Yes, guys, you heard me right. Pineapple soda. I will add to that some garlic salt and some black pepper and allow this to reduce or until it thickens and becomes a sauce. I then pour it over the kebab, Cover it in foil and place it in a preheated oven on broil for about 5 minutes. Then remove the foil and allow it to color for about 2 minutes. Now guys, it is all done. It's another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. Guys, I'm serving this with roti and a fried sweet potato, or you can just serve it with whatever side you wish. This has been an awesome experience in the kitchen. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you fish kebab, Jamaican style. Before you go, guys, remember to like my video, share my channel with your friends, leave a constructive comment in the comment block, and turn on your post notification.